If you give me 30 seconds, I'm going to show you how you start building your business credit from scratch. So the first thing you need to do, and a lot of people reach out to me and they don't have this first step done because they don't know how to do it, is structuring your business profile properly. You have to make sure that your business is set up correctly in order to get business funding. And a lot of times, a lot of different net 30s and a lot of different starter accounts are going to require you have your business set up correctly. So one of the requirements is making sure that your business is not classified in a high risk industry. So if you're in real estate and you're a real estate investor, you shouldn't have real estate in your business name. You're a real estate investor in your business name. You should have some kind of generic business name that doesn't classify you as high risk. Because instead of you saying, hey, I do real estate, don't give me money, I'm a high risk company in a high risk industry, just say something like, hey, I'm doing consulting for real estate investors, or I'm doing consulting for real estate homeowners. For me, with my real estate company, is we do consulting for real estate investors. Although we're going to probably purchase and sell a property, we're not going to say, hey, I'm investing in real estate. I do consulting. When I talk to these investors, I'm like, look, you can purchase this deal at this amount. It's going to be worth this. I'm consulting them in that process, as well as talking to the homeowners. And I'm like, look, I understand you want $150,000 for your house because the house next door sold for $150,000, but their house has been updated in the last 2 years. Yours hasn't been updated since 1979. So at that point, in that conversation, I'm consulting, and that's what I'm going to classify myself as. All right, my friends. So if you like this type of content and you want to learn how to level up in life, this is the channel for you. What I want you to do is like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that you can stay up to date and you can see more videos just like this from me. I also want you to click the notification bell so you can make sure you always get notified, because we put out a video every single day. We don't miss. Every single day we have a new piece of content dropping for you. So subscribe, like, and share, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Next thing is also making sure you have a correct business address. No home address, definitely no P.O. box. That's going to get you denied like 99% of the time. You need at least a virtual office if you don't have a commercial building on your own. You can get a virtual office with Opus Virtual Offices. If you need a link to Opus, just comment the word Opus below, OPUS, and I'll send you a link to Opus myself. I use them for all of my companies all over the place. I have offices in a few different states, and I use them for all of my offices. You can actually use the building yourself. You can go to the building and use them. They give you an 800 number, fax number. You get a office that you can use. So it's really, really convenient because you don't have to go and pay a whole bunch of different people. You have your office at one place, your 800 number, your fax number, and your office number all in one place. So you don't have to pay multiple different people. And that business address, that business name, your EIN number, all of that stuff needs to match everywhere. So Secretary of State, the IRS, all of your business credit accounts, that stuff needs to match everywhere because these lenders are looking for that. That's some of their actual basic requirements. So if you do this right, you can be in your first step to starting to build your business credit profile.